Hello friends, today we'll learn QinQ configuration. Let's log into the web page using root as a username and admin as a password. To create VLANs, click on the advanced menu in the top left corner and then click VLAN menu in the sidebar. Now click the create button and then enter start VLAN and end VLAN. Tag the port and then click apply button. Repeat the function by clicking create button again. Enter start VLAN and then end VLAN and click apply. Click Setting in front of VLAN 100 to set the outer VLAN name. Renaming these VLANs will help us to distinguish between inner and outer VLANs. Repeat the function to set the inner VLAN name. And then click Apply. Both VLANs are successfully configured now. Let's now create a new line profile. Enter the profile name. Check the box for Auto Profile ID. Configure the T count and click Apply. Configure the gem port and gem mapping with inner VLAN. Let's view to reconfirm the line profile. Let's now configure the auto discovery and auto binding. We can now make sure the ONU auto authentication in ONU table. Everything is fine till now. Let's now configure auto virtual port for every upcoming ONU. Set VLAN 100 as service VLAN and then set tag transform as default. Click apply to confirm current configuration. Virtual port is now auto assigned to the ONU. Let's now configure WAN service for the ONU. Set all parameters including service type. Enter 200 as VLAN ID. Tag required ports and click apply. Thanks for watching.